The preparation consists of several ingredients. Measure them in advance to make the preparation easier. 700 grams of soft flour, 1 tablespoon of salt. Then mix everything. Pour 400 milliliters of lukewarm to warm water and 2 tablespoons of oil. First, mix everything with a spoon, then knead the dough. Once all flour is incorporated, this step is complete. Transfer the dough to a work surface and knead it further. Knead for a few minutes until everything is evenly combined. Divide the dough into 6 portions. Shape each portion into a ball. Fold the edges inward, then rotate on the surface like this. Take a large plate, grease it with oil, and place the dough balls on it. Lightly coat each ball with oil. Cover with plastic wrap and let rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, melt 250 grams of margarine or butter. Add 50 milliliters of oil and mix together. Take one dough ball at a time and roll it out with some flour. Stretch each portion to 20 to 30 centimeters in diameter and set aside. Let them rest to allow further stretching. Don't worry about perfect circles, just stretch as evenly as possible. Aim for round shapes, but irregularities aren't a problem. They'll even out later. Take the first portion and roll it out as thinly as possible with flour. It may not look round, but stretch it as thin as you can. Brush with the butter and oil mixture. After brushing, fold it like a letter. Like this. And this. Set aside. Repeat the rolling process with the next portion. After rolling the second portion, brush with butter and oil. Take the first portion and place it in the center. like this. Layer the second portion over it, folded as before. Like this. And this. Set aside again. Repeat the process with the remaining 4 portions, pairing them. Dust the work surface with flour. Arrange the dough portions. Cover with the same plastic wrap. Refrigerate for 15 minutes. Remove the dough from the fridge and place on the work surface. Roll out again with a rolling pin. After rolling, brush with the butter and oil mixture. The remaining mixture will be enough for all 3 portions. Fold into thirds again. Return to the board. Take the next portion and repeat the process. Working with dough like this, calmly and quietly, is therapeutic for me. How does it feel to work without pressure? Try making this. It's a relaxing, rewarding activity. Keep it stress-free and enjoyable. No matter the result, don't get frustrated. The only loss is giving up. Add the third portion. Cover with plastic and refrigerate for 15 to 30 minutes, depending on time. Remove from the fridge and dust with flour. Place a baking tray lined with parchment paper nearby. Now roll out the dough. After rolling, straighten the edges. Transfer the dough like this. And this. Press lightly. Transfer the dough to the tray. Repeat with the remaining 2 portions. Add the third portion. Mix 1 egg yolk with a tablespoon of milk and brush all 3 dough layers. Make thin cuts with a knife. While doing this, preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Now bake for 30 minutes. Done. Baking time, 30 minutes.